When I first met her, all I thought was thong-thong. Loose the lame, we can get our freaking on. I pushed the pedal, thought you feel stiletto. We were running too, in my own umbrella. If you knew we were doing what we're doing, shut your mouth, it would probably ruin. Nigga living life and that's my bitch. Rap it to the microphone, become rich. Hey, you good looking from Trita to Brooklyn, Rico, Montego, Santiago. Even in Italy, they still consider me one of the dopest. The rest is all hopeless. Yo, sexy lady in the car with me. Yo, come close into the flats with me. Let's do this and show them who's the rudest. Yo, come close and show them who's the nudist.
I'm sure I drive you crazy. What you get is what you see. There's no need in being hazy, so you better look at me. You better look. You better look. What you get is what you see. You better look. You better look. What you get is what you see.
You're in the presence of a motherfucking rock star. I pushed the blade back in a little yellow car. Nobody can say our rhymes are popping. Yeah, we sure, our game is stopping. Mixing crystal, lemon and Bacardi. What the heck, all we do is party. Check it out now, we are getting dirty. Hook the girl, listen to a little flirty. We are clean, cleaner as a whisker. Forget the white piece, playing